Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a really easy 3-ingredient chili cheese dip. To get started, grate 1 cup of cheddar cheese, then set it aside. Take 1 block of softened cream cheese and spread evenly into a pie pan. Now open 1 can of store-bought chili, even better if you have homemade chili to use, and spread that evenly on top of the cream cheese. And last but not least, sprinkle the top with the grated cheese from earlier. Bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. And that's it! It will be nice and bubbly. Serve with tortilla chips and you got yourself a delicious chip dip that took less than 10 minutes to make. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!